In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up RestoreCord for completely free. So once you're logged in, it should look something like this. You want to click on custom bots, and we're going to make a new bot. So head over to the Discord developer portal. And I already have a few bots, but we're going to make a new one for this video. So let's just call it a Verify bot. Create it. Then we can go back. It tells you to read this guide. I really recommend you to read it. Just continue. And now we need the bots token and the client secret. So let's go over to the bot. Click on reset token. Copy the new bot token and then paste it right here. Same for the client secret. So you want to click on OAuth2 and then reset secret. Copy that one as well and paste it right here. And now we just have to add the redirect URL. So just click on it and it will copy it. Go back on OAuth2. We just have to add the redirect here. Make sure you save it. And then we can continue. It should show your bot's name. Click next. Now we've added our bot. So we are now going to add our sub. So click on servers and then create new server. Select the bot you have just created and click next. In this pop-up you are going to select your server. So for me it's going to be Apple Community. Click continue and authorize. Now make sure you close this pop-up. And then it will show the server you've just invited the bot to. Select it and then you can choose a name for your Verify URL. So it's going to be Apple. Click next. And now we can select the role you want to give your members once to verify. Click on your server settings, then create a new role. So just verified. Make sure the verified role or the role you want to give is below the Verify bot. The Verify bot usually has a warning. So make sure the verified role is below the Verify bot. Now if your role doesn't show up, click this button. We can select it. Now we have just set it up. If it works. Be verified. The bot gave me the role. Now for your members to actually verify, you can just post this link. For example, a verified channel. And have everyone to verify. If that's not enough, you can actually buy the business subscription and you can send a nice embed. Okay, so once you've purchased a business subscription, you can just click on custom bots and then click manage. There will be a new input for the public key, and then you want to go back on the Discord developer portal and then copy the public key. Make sure the client ID here on Discord matches the one shown on RestoreCord. If it does, paste in the public key and then save it. Now on Discord, you have to add an interaction input URL. It will be https://api/interaction. Save it. If it says all your edits have been carefully recorded, go back on your bot and click manage and just refresh the commands once and save it. And now back on your server, you should actually be able to just type / and you can see all the commands from the bot. Now we're going to use the Verify Embed command and then we can just click on it and select the channel. So verify. And we can change all of these so that embed title, description, image, username, everything. Let's just demonstrate it here. Description, username. And we can also add a skip button. So for example, if it's optional for your members to verify in your server, you can add the skip button. Then in a few seconds it should send the embed we just made. Okay. The avatar from the bot will be the one from your server, or you can change it if you choose to use a custom avatar. But now we have our simple embed. We can just click here and they will. Or if you don't want to verify, so let's remove the role, simply click skip verify and bot will just give you the role and skip actually verifying. And that's basically it. You can also do verify embed without anything, so we'll just choose the default ones. Yeah, that's basically it. To pull your members, simply click on servers and then migrate. You can select a new Discord server. Let's say this one gets deleted. So now our members are gone, but we can just make a new server. So Apple Community 2. Then we just have to invite the bot back. So click on custom bots, select the new server. We click migrate. We see our new server. We can give them a role on join. It doesn't show any roles right now because we made a role. Let's make a new one. And also make sure that the verified role is below the Verify bot or below the bot's own role. So the bot can actually give the role. Let's refresh it and our role will actually show up. We can also specify how many members we want to pull. So if you have 1,000 members and you only want to pull 10 or 100, do that as well. You can also pull a specific country. If you only want to pull members from UK or from Sweden, you can just choose the country right here. It will only pull the members from Canada, for example. But now, just pull our members. will take a few seconds to start, and then on migrations actually check the status. So for me it pulled 1 out of 1 member. We can check, and I got the role, so it obviously pulled me in the server. Check the outer log, and it updated my roles. That's basically it. You can also send the Verify Embed again in the same server. And your new members like who join the server can just verify again. You may get this error once you change your server. This is because you haven't updated the server ID yet. So to do that, just go back to Discord and copy the server ID. If you don't see copy server ID, you may have to enable developer mode on Discord. Once you've done that, just copy the new server ID, put it right here, and for the new role ID, so just copy it right here and save changes. And now we can try to verify again. It will show that we successfully verified. Very simple. If you have any questions, you can join our Telegram channel, or you can contact us directly over the dashboard. Click the Need Help button. Hope this helped you, and a lovely new year.